Alright, in this video I will unboxing a Gucci wallet, but first of all I want to thank you all because I'm really happy. I have 500 subscribers and I want to thank you all for the supporting, sharing, subscribing and all the good stuff. Thank you guys. Without you I will not have 500 subscribers. I'm really happy. So with that being said, I want to show you guys in this video a really nice Gucci wallet. I get this from my sister and I'm really happy about this one, so I want to share with you all guys. And yeah, I think it looks really nice. The packaging is pretty amazing. We have here a Gucci logo all over the place, so let's open up and see what you have inside. And I want to tell you guys, this one is not a cheap wallet. It costs about 400 euros, so if you want to buy this one, yeah, you must watch it. If you want to spend 400 euro for a wallet, it's all up to you, but I wouldn't. It's damn expensive. But alright, we have here a nice presentation and really good quality bag. So let's see if the wallet is also that nice. And as we can see here, oh, it's a really nice tiger logo and I love this immediately. So whoa, it feels really nice, and of course it's made of high quality leather. And let's be honest, if you are spending 400 euros on a wallet, I think you are expecting the best of the best, so this one feels good. So yeah, that's a good thing. And let's see what we have here. We have here 8 card slots and 2 build components, and on front we have beige ebony GG Supreme with tiger print, and the leather is of course Gucci, and it's made in Italy as I said before. And it's not that big wallet, so I think if you want to carry around, it's nice and not that big. But alright, we have here guarantee papers, not really interesting stuff here, so let's move on. And now I want to tell you guys that it's not recommended to use this in direct sunlight, heat or rain, so be careful with that. And other than that, I don't have really things that I want to say. Only one downside is that I don't like when I put the money inside, it will not stay closed. So I think because it's new, and I think over the time when you are using, it will get better, and I think it will stay closed. So that's only one downside so far I have. And yeah, I will show you guys also how it looks with money inside, so enjoy. Alright then, this was an unboxing of Gucci Tiger Print GG Supreme wallet, and I want to thank you all guys because I have 500 subscribers and I'm really happy about that. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and all the good stuff. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.